In this video, we'll explore how the Prestashop Better Thank You Page module can transform your default thank you page into a powerful marketing and engagement add-on. With this module, you can display related products, offer discount coupons, show promotional banners, and much more, all without any coding. So let's dive in and see how to install, configure, and make the most of this module to boost your sales and customer engagement. This is module understanding video of Better Thank You Page. So, proceeding with the same, first we have to install the module on a Prestashop store. To complete the installation, first we have to click on Upload Module button. When you will click on it, you will have a pop-up like this, where you have to click on Select File. When you will click on Select File, it will read to the local to choose the module file. And when you will choose, and it will start uploading here. You have to click on Proceed with the installation. It will complete the installation here. And then you have to click on Configure button. It will allow you to redirect to the Module General Setting page. So this is a Module General Setting page, where you will find the module in the disabled state by default. So to enable the module, you have to click on Enable button and click on Save. Once you will save, it will activate the module on the front end of the store. Now, show the order reference number in case you wanted to show the order reference number on the Better Thank You page on the front end. So, you can enable it and click on Save. So, that's the configuration for that save. Next, you have to choose the position block. You wanted to add your product on third number. You wanted to display your discount block on the first number. You wanted to display your banner position on second number. Next, we are having this product setting. So, in case you want to display for the product block, you want to display the related product, you can kept it enable. You have to select the limit of related product, the count of related product you wanted to display on the beta thank you page, and the text that will be displayed on your product block. So, the text is entered. Click on OK. When you will click, it will show you the text here and click on Save. So, that the product setting would get saved. Next, it's the discount setting. You have to keep it enable in case you want to display the discount in your discount block, and what type of discount you want to display. You can configure it either of the fixed price or the percentage. So I've chosen the fixed price. The fixed price of 10. Click on Save. Next, we are having the advertisement setting. You can keep it enable. Upload here the advertisement for that advertisement. You can upload a sale banner or a new launch product banner, whatever you want to display for an advertisement on the advertisement block. So, you have to upload the file here. You have to click on Add File, which will redirect you to the local, and the image will be uploaded here. You can clear the image in case you want to upload any other. Click on Save. Once you will save, the settings will be saved. Now, you will check the module how it is working on the front end. So, for the same, you have to reach on a product, order completion page. You have to complete an order. So just normally, you have to place an order. After filling all the address details, choose the shipping, the payment. Click on Place Order. The order will be placed, and you will have order confirmation page on your screen. So this is order confirmation page, where this is how the Better Thank You page will work. This is the image that you have uploaded. This is a related product count. Only the two we have mentioned. So only 2 products is being shown here. This is the text that we have configured there. This is a border banner that we have uploaded. This is a discount, and you can use this discount, which is of the $10. This is the order reference that has been placed. So, you can click on product and use the discount, copy the code, and go on the cart page, use that coupon code here. Click on Add. It will be added like this. The discount of $10 you will receive. Next, complete the order and check if this ordered amount is getting placed with the discounted price. Once you will place this order, again, you will get another discount on the Thank You banner page. So, this is how the Better Thank You page work on the Prestashop store. Thank you.